Over 50% of the world's coral reefs have vanished in just 3 decades. These underwater marvels, essential for marine biodiversity and coastal communities, are now at a tipping point. Coral reefs are more than just underwater spectacle. They shield coastlines from storms, support fisheries that sustain millions, and might even hold the secrets to future medicines. But what's causing this rapid decline? Climate change, with its rising temperatures and ocean acidification, is a major culprit. Add to that overfishing and pollution, and our reefs are facing a perfect storm of threats. But here's where technology offers a glimmer of hope. Underwater drones, equipped with high-resolution cameras, are mapping and monitoring reef health, providing invaluable data to marine biologists. Artificial intelligence is another game changer. Advanced algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, predicting where the next threats might emerge and helping devise strategies to counteract them. Then there's the marvel of 3D printing. Scientists are now printing artificial coral structures. These aren't just imitations. They're biocompatible scaffolds that promote coral polyp attachment and growth. Virtual and augmented reality are also joining the fight. By creating virtual dives, they're raising awareness and educating people about the splendor of reefs and the threats they face. From space, satellite constellations are keeping a watchful eye, tracking ocean temperatures and monitoring coral bleaching events in real time. Across the globe, organizations and tech innovators are collaborating. From coral nurseries to tech-driven restoration projects, the mission to save our reefs has never been more urgent or united. In the face of the ocean's silent crisis, technology and human ingenuity are echoing a powerful response. The question is, as we stand at this crucial juncture, how will you amplify that echo and contribute to the preservation of our planet's irreplaceable marine treasures? Thank you for watching today's TVS video. For more glimpses into the future and the innovations shaping it, journey with us by subscribing and becoming part of our visionary community.